Hello and welcome to Vishaun for Real. Today is part 2 of our Dollar Tree haul. But in this episode, I am going to try the facial products. So what that means is the Biore charcoal mask, along with the nose strip, the Pond's what do you call the facial cleanser, and also the cleanser brush. So I'm going to do it live with you for the very first time to see if this Dollar Tree thing is really worth it. So sit tight and stay tuned. Okay, so first I will be using the cleanser and the cleansing brush. So the cleanser the brand is Pond's. Normally I don't use Pond's facial products, and I won't say this one, but I'll say the face cream is just a little too oily for my skin. It makes me break out, and I'm not a person that normally breaks out. So I will be trying this, and then of course using the brush that I purchased. And then afterwards, I will be using the two-step Biore charcoal mask. So that's the product there. And I'll let you know step by step on how it actually feels. So without further ado, let's get right into it and let's get started. So I will use it says for me to wet my face first. So hold on a second, let me do that. Okay, so I'm following the instructions. Of course, I probably should have used the elastics that I bought, but it's okay. So it says to lather, so here it is. Just trying to lather it. Okay, so okay, hold on. Oh my God, I think I did too much. All right, hold on, I look like, what are those mimes? Hold on one second. Oh my God. Okay, let me just get to the brush. What have I done? Okay. So again, it doesn't come with, not again, but it doesn't come with, oh Lord, it does not come with batteries, so you're gonna have to put batteries in them, of course. Okay, I can see again. Whew. So let's see how this works. Okay, the scrub sounds like it's struggling, but it's working. Put some more water. So it does burn the eyes, but let's just ooh-wee. Let me get the towel, because I can't see. All right, that's what you call live and full effect. Instead of it being on my face, it's in my hair. But oh well, let's let use this. Feels good though. Alright, let me try to lather this up just a little bit more. There we go. So you can see it does lather. I will do another video doing my skincare routine. So you'll see what I use on my face on a daily basis. You know, you want to have nice, clear skin, not bumpy, bump up like we're saying. That's what Indians would say. But, you know, no acne and all that stuff. Okay. It feels good, actually. I thought it sounds like it's struggling. I don't know if you can hear it, but or maybe it's just me. But it's not. It's that the brush is. It works really well. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it off now. Now, hold on. It does feel like I actually used something. It does feel good. Don't mind that. All in my hair. It's okay. This is not for me to be all cute. Okay. Face is all good. Let's stamp it up. Let me. All smooth. I love it. It actually makes me, I feel fresh. So, Hans, so good. So far, so good. Okay. I'm going to use the charcoal mask now. It does separate. Okay. And it's a self-heating 1-minute mask. So let's use it. Let me turn the pipe off. Okay. I'm only gonna put it at the bottom. I just poked my eye, but I didn't go inside. Ooh. It really does heat up right away. It feels good. And this is not the charcoal mask where you have to peel it off. Remember those ones where some people were using them and they would, it would like be painful to peel off? I used it before too, and oh boy, yeah, it was actually, that was real. That was real. The ones, the one that actually turned into a mask and you were trying to peel it off, it would actually be really painful. No, this, it smells good. And it also, it really does heat up. I love it. So let's wait 1 minute. Hold on, let me just get the rest of it. I'm gonna speed this up so it's not like in real time. But oh, the heat does feel good on your face. I'm not gonna put it too far. I don't want it on my forehead just in case. I end up bump up. But there we go. And let's wait 1 minute from now. We're back. So I'm going to wash this off, and then next I will be applying the strip. So let's see how that one works too. All right, hang on. Okay, so this actually gives you a minty fresh, sorry, I'm like, I can't see at the moment, I want to open it, because I stuck my eye. Okay. So it does give a minty fresh feeling. You do feel fresh after using this. I'm loving it. Okay, so I mean, it is worth $1.25. And you do feel good afterwards. They say to use this daily, but I mean, I'm just trying this out to see if this could be something that anyone could use. So that's done. Let's put that back. All right, so good so far. We've used the Pond's with the cleansing brush, and then as I said, I used the cleanser with the cleansing brush, and then I used the Biore charcoal mask. Okay, that half. Now I will be using the strip. Okay. Oh, never doing that. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, my bad. You just have to peel it off. I thought it was like and then it came off. So there you go. Now it's on. And now we wait. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. I mean, for you it'll be like 2 seconds. Okay, so we are back. It's now like paper mache. It says to peel. Ow. From the outside tip. Okay, I don't really see anything, but nonetheless, that's off. And so far, that's actually a good 2-in-1. The facial, so again, I use for this facial, I use the Pond's. So that is the clear, it's called the Clear Solutions Face Foam, okay? And it says it's clinically proven. Use that with the cleansing brush. All right, the box looks like that. I guess we don't have to spend a lot of money on these, huh? And then the package, again, it's all crumpled up, but I use the Biore. It's a 2-in-1 charcoal mask kit. So it comes with the mask, and then it comes with the nose strip. So overall, good product for, again, you get this at Dollar Tree. It's worth it. It's good. So next, and then I showed you my the comb, of course. Now I'm going to try okay, sit tight. I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to get the eyelashes. I did say I was going to try that with you. So I'll be right back. I'm going to try the eyelashes and put them on with you right now. Okay, so sit tight. Oops. Okay, so far, so good. All right, so let's try the other side. Okay, finally got it. I should have put my contact in. I only wear one contact, guys. And I couldn't see it properly. Literally just one. The other eye is perfect. So I didn't have problems with this right eye. But now I have both in. What do you think? Okay. It makes a world of a difference when you have eyelashes in, right? No makeup, but I do have the eyelashes on. So I think it's worth the money. I mean, not quick for me, but I'm sure for someone else who's a pro at this, it'll be a lot better. But I do like the lashes. It has a more of a natural look. It's not dramatic, because I'm not into the dramatic, making it look like it's fake eyelashes look. I'm not trying to insult anyone. That's just the way I prefer it. A natural, nice look with the eyelashes. So this is a plus for me. I don't know what you guys think. So, you know, of course, comment down below what you think of each of these things. I think I might have a reaction to something that I put on. I don't know. I think I scratched my face by accident. Okay. So yeah, so that is the eyelashes. All right, so that is it for this episode of our Dollar Tree haul, part 2. Now, you know what? The products were really worth it for the $1.25. Because as you know, we always have to travel. Well, when they first came, we didn't get any brand name items here in Canada. When we traveled to the US, we would go to the Dollar Tree and we'd notice that they had brand name products in their stores, but we didn't have anything. They've really stepped it up. You stepped your game up, Dollar Tree. You did that. So, you know what? Some of these products are actually worth $1.25. There are more products that I do want to try, but that's for another day, another episode. But as for this one, it was a success. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be a part of the notification crew. Also, if there are any videos that you would like to see me do not forget to hit me up in the comment section. Or if there are any videos you'd like to see more of, do so as well. You can hit me on my Instagram at Vishaun _. So that's VISHAUN _ or VISHAUN _4 real REAL. So thank you. This was great. So see you soon.